Hey YouTubers, Mike Boards with the Mike Boards channel. Thank you for watching. We are working on our Gravely zero-turn lawnmower today, and we are going to show you how to properly configure your mower for transport mode. This is important. Let's get started. All right, YouTubers in the garage now, and we are referencing our Gravely zero-turn lawnmower, and again, these simple steps that are very important to take to configure your lawnmower for transport mode. So with that said, let's dive right into it. First and foremost, for safety purposes, turn your engine off and verify all moving parts are stopped and stationary and your parking brake is set. From there, hop off your lawnmower, wait a couple minutes, again to verify that everything is stopped and it's safe to move forward. Next, do a 360 walk around and properly configure the external parts such as your discharge chute. Go ahead and raise it up and allow it to fall in its securing slots. Continue the back portion. If you have a roll bar, make sure you pop the pins out, which will allow you to pull the rods out. You got one on each side of your roll bar, and carefully shift the roll bar to the down and stowed position. After that, resecure the rods, resecure the pins. Continue around to the opposite side. Once you've done your 360 walk around, carefully get on the lawnmower. And again, your parking brake should already be in the up position, engaged and on. From here, put your foot on the pedal and carefully push forward. As you push forward, you are going to be lifting your entire lower deck and blades. And you carefully lift forward on that pedal until this locking plate slides into place and into the lock position, shown here. Just like that. And after that slides in place, carefully release the tension on the pedal, and it is going to rest on that steel plate. And it is important to do that because at this point, your deck is in transport mode, meaning the highest the deck can possibly come off the ground. And that is for safety purposes for your deck and all the components that work in lieu with your deck, such as your pulleys, your belts, your blades, your wheels, etc. So again, very important. At this point, take one good look around you, make sure no one or nothing is around your lawnmower that can be hurt or damaged or harmed, and start your engine back up and carefully drive it onto the trailer that you will be transporting your mower on. To your operator's manual on page 19, transport unit. It has the steps to follow. Again, push deck lift pedal completely forward. We've done that to engage the transport lock. After that, release the pedal. Number 2, move unit to transport vehicle. Number 3, stop engine, engage parking brake, remove key from ignition, and step 4, secure mower frame to transport vehicle. Notice, never secure unit to vehicle from rods or linkages that could be damaged. That's important. You definitely do not want to do that. So, very simple steps to take and very important steps to take because, again, you are transporting your mower. You do not want to harm or damage any portion of your mower during the transport process. So hopefully this helps, YouTubers. Hey, do us a favor below the video. You'll see that thumbs up icon. Click on that, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Definitely ring your YouTube bell. That would be very awesome and helpful to us. Again, we appreciate you watching and we hope the video helped.